I'm an asshole by nurture. Make the perfect couple. Hell yeah, let's get it double. Up on the cash. Hell yeah, get it quick. Hell yeah, I got mine. Hell yeah, let me hit. Hell no, never paid before. Used to get it for free, but really did I get it free when I gave my everything? Hell, actually, I over fucking paid it, long overdue for savage by nature. Not 'cause I hate ya, 'cause I really wanna date ya. Right now, I just wanna make you come to the fucking sun comes up and you come. But right now, I just wanna make you come to the fucking sun comes up and you come so many fucking times that you don't wanna charge me. But I'll pay you anyway, baby. You're so sweet. Hell yeah, let me get up on you, girl. What it do, girl? Savage by nature. Yeah, I wanna date you. Yeah, not 'cause I fucking hate you. 'Cause I'm an asshole by nurture. And I don't wanna hurt you. Don't wanna hurt you. Said I don't wanna hurt you. Asshole by nurture. Savage by nature. Not 'cause I hate you. Really wanna date you. Really wanna date you. Really wanna make you come so many times, Miss Savage. God damn it. Wonder can I handle it? Wonder how it goes down. Wonder if I get it up. Wonder if I put it down. Savage by nature, asshole by nurture. Hell no, I don't wanna hurt her, but I wanna get up in the ribs and get so many fucking times. Ass. Whole by nature. Hell no, 'cause I hate you, not 'cause I love you. But you so damn sexy and beautiful. Hell yeah,